So over here you can see that I got a bunch of data, and if you want to navigate around onto your data, you can go around onto the bottom, and over here you can see that there's a range of buttons right here. So right now I am selecting out the first data right here. So if I were to go around right here and click on this button, it goes on to the next record right here. Similarly, you can go around, go to the next record, or go back right here. You can also go around right here and then click on first record to go to the first record, or click on last record right here over here. Similarly, after the last record, if you were to go and click on new blank record, then what happens is that it goes on to the new blank record right here, where you can type in any data, as you can see right here. You can go around over here, and then what you can also do is you can right click and add new record right here to actually go around adding new record right here, just like this. So what you can also do is you can go around, add in more fields over here. Let's say, for example, before the course, I want to add in another data right here. So you can simply right click right here, and then you can go around and then insert a field right here. So once you click on insert field, you can see another field is inserted. So I'm just going to go around and say duration right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in duration, and here you can see that you can simply add in data right here. So it's not just at the end, you can also add in data in the beginning, in the center, and so forth. So before the course, let's say I want to add another data, then I can right click right here, click on insert field, then there you go, there's another field over here again. So there you go. So you can type in the faculty right here, and there you go. So this is what you have. And that is how you can work around with record navigation option and then modify data sets inside of Microsoft Access. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.